In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a Snowflake query. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to Snowflake, understanding how to run queries efficiently is essential to get the most out of your data processing tasks. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to log in to Snowsite, the web interface for Snowflake. Open your web browser and navigate to the Snowflake login page. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see a range of options designed to streamline your workflow and manage your data effectively. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Worksheets section. This is where you'll be crafting and executing your SQL queries. To get there, look for the Projects menu, and under that, you'll find Worksheets. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a space where you can manage your SQL queries seamlessly. Once you're in the Worksheets area, you have the choice to either open an existing worksheet or create a new one. If you've already prepared scripts and queries in a previous session, simply click on the worksheet to bring it up. Otherwise, starting a new worksheet is straightforward. You'll see a button or tab indicating an option to create, which will set you up with a blank slate to work from. With your worksheet ready, it's time to move on to one of the most crucial parts: writing your query. In the editor area, enter your SQL statement. This is the command center for controlling and manipulating your data. If you're unsure about syntax or SQL functions, remember that Snowflake offers documentation which can be incredibly helpful to refine your query writing skills. After your query is written and ready to go, it's time to execute it. For running a single query, position your cursor within the query you want to execute. You'll find a Run button located above the editor. Click it to launch your query operation. If your worksheet consists of multiple SQL statements and you want to run them all, there's a quick way to do that too. Look for the More Options feature, represented by 3 dots next to the Run button. Click on it and choose Run All to execute every query in the worksheet sequentially. Once your query or queries have run, you'll want to check out the results. The output is conveniently displayed right below your editor. Here, you have a range of options available to you. You can easily download these results for further analysis or reporting needs, view them as charts for better visualization, or delve into the query profile to gain insights into its performance. Each of these tools helps you interpret and utilize your data more effectively. That's all there is to it. Now you're well equipped to run queries on Snowflake and make the most of your data processing capabilities. Keep experimenting and refining your skills, and you'll be a Snowflake querying pro in no time. Thanks for joining me, and happy querying.